Range Rover Autobiography. And what a Range Rover Autobiography is, it is up there when it comes to specification. This car was £120,000 new. It's 62,990. It's the 4.4 SD V8, 340 brake horsepower, in Yulong white, with the £3,000 option deployable side steps, with the upgraded 21-inch gloss black twisted spokes, badging, grille, all beautiful. The badging's been done in black. You've got that huge grille in silver and black. You've got these beautiful LED adaptive lights, and it's an Autobiography, so it's got everything. Adaptive cruise control, it's got all the cameras built in. The wheels, these cars come with 20-inch wheels. It's got the 21s. The Atlas vents have all been colour-coded. That is extra, which I think looks really, really well. So the car's all white. Sun protection, privacy glass. What a car for the money. And this car's one owner. It's covered 40,000 miles. It's a tremendous car. Other things I'm going to show you. So the car's all keyless, as you would expect. Other extras. Soft closed doors. And look at just, I don't know if you can see, but the Yulong white is like a pearl, stunning, metallic pearl white colour. It is beautiful. And then when we move on inside, you get everything. So you get all the different functions, electric, memory, heated seats. These seats are massaged, these seats are cooled. So it's just pure comfort. Alcantara roof lining, sliding panoramic roof, all the beautiful ambient lighting, which you can see even down in the bottom there, you can see it all highlighted. And it just adds, you know, if we go into here, I'm just going to quickly show you. So if you go into your seats, turn them on, you've got heated, you've got cooled, and then you go into your massage and you've got all the different functions for that, which again is lovely. If we go into camera, you haven't just got a reversing camera, you've got 360 degree all round camera, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, you've got a fridge in the centre. But to drive a big four-wheel drive, this engine, and I've said it lots of times, this V8 4.4 for me is the best diesel engine that Land Rover produced. It just purrs, it's comfortable, it's luxury. And then again in the back, I'm actually going to climb in and show you. So the comfort in the back again, you've got a full rear electric reclining, look at that seat. Look at this lovely cup holder. Now how posh is that? That's because it's the Autobiography, so you get this extra fancy cup holder. Or if you don't need that and you want to push it in and just have someone sat in the middle, it's all electric. You just press that button. It's a little bit slow, but it's smart, isn't it? And that goes up like that. You've got rear heated seats, you've got rear climate control, you've got rear lights, and also this blind here can be controlled all from the door cards, which just adds to that luxury element of the car. And then we move around the back, you've got your LED lights. Again, you've got your black badge in here. You've got your split folding electric tailgate with bags of space. And you can even drop. So if you wanted to drop your seats from the back, you've got buttons here. So if you needed that load space, you can just press them and drop it. So the car does everything. Does absolutely everything. And like I said, this car was just short of £120,000. It's practically half the price. It's in beautiful spec. Great engine. 62,990, Range Rover Autobiography. What a car.